Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a classic French tip set. If you're new here, my name is Shameen and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So I've already prepped the nails, so now I am painting the base color on, and the name of it is Angel Face from Angel Beauty, and I picked this color because it goes with anybody's skin tone. I'll be applying about 3 to 4 coats of this base color, and then we're going to do our French tip design. To do the French tip design, of course, we're using white. This is baby powder, also from Angel Beauty. I'm putting some of it out on my mixing palette, and then I'm going to get my liner brush and we're going to start the French tips. So to create these French nails, I saw this picture tutorial in one of my Facebook groups and I decided to try it. And it was from a press-on nail artist whose business name is Twisted Wonderland Nails. So I'll show you some of the pictures here, and I use this as a guide. So I didn't do everything exactly as she had it here, but basically I had to start off by placing a small dot in the middle of the tip and one on each side where you wanted your smile line to be. After that, you're going to draw a line from the top middle dot and draw a line across the nail. So what I did, I started off with my line across the nail, and then I made my dots about halfway down the nail where I wanted the smile line to be. And then I tried to paint 2 lines, so it formed like something looking like an A. So you'll see just now. And I actually left this video in real time so you can see how slow I work, because I was really taking my time as this was the first time trying this technique. Basically, it was like I was doing step 3 first, and then I went back to step 1 and step 2. So now I'm drawing the curve to get that smile line for the French. And this part was pretty easy because we already had the outline. So this technique is really good, and it's a really nice step-by-step pictorial to get perfect French nails every time. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to fill in the rest of the nails with the regular polish brush. Yes, so you could feel free to check out this press-on nail page, Twisted Wonderland Nails. For press-on nails. I actually went through the page and didn't see the pictorial there, but still, you see how important it is to watermark your photos, else I would not have been able to tell you where these photos came from. So yeah, if you have a press-on nail business and you share photos on the internet, make sure and watermark them so somebody knows it's you. You don't know where it will end up. Somebody might be trying to give you credit. So yeah, definitely do that. So we're just going to speed it up here. I'm going to try another nail using the technique. And you know, I'll speed it up a little bit because we have 24 nails to do, right? Yes, I forgot to mention this 24-piece set was requested by my client because she was going to surprise her mom for her anniversary, and she wanted her to get some press-on nails so her nails could be done for their anniversary celebrations. Or whatever it is they was doing for the anniversary. So this is why I'm doing a 24-piece set. Obviously, she couldn't get a size kit to measure because that would spoil the surprise. And typically, I do 24-piece sets in cases like this, or when a client can't measure her nails at all. Outside of that, I do regular 10-piece sets, and that is after a client has sized their nails using a size kit. Before, I used to use the measuring tape method, but that was doing more harm than good because people would measure their nails wrong, and then I would have sent the nails to them, and then it wouldn't have fit them, and then they would tell me, hey Shimin, the nails not fitting, and then I feel like real bad, and yeah, it was terrible. So I only measure with a size kit now. You should do that. It would save you a whole lot of time and energy, and you'll feel a lot better. So now we're moving on to the next set of nails. Of course, I put on 2 coats of the white polish over these nails because I find with 1 coat I was still seeing patches of the base color underneath. So you could gauge your set and, do as much coats as necessary to get full coverage. And as you can see here, I abandoned that pictorial and I started to freehand my French. The reason for this, it was because of time, and doing 24 nails with this technique was a bit time consuming, so it was way easier for me to freehand it. So you can use either method, whatever works for you whenever you're doing your French tips. And of course, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with my latest nail videos as we try to grow this channel together. Alright, so we're just going to finish up these nails, and these are how they look after applying like about 2 coats of the white. And now we're going to do some accents with some rhinestones. So just some rhinestones for around the cuticle. It's not going to be too much because it's an older person, and we didn't want the nails to be too extra. I still wanted it to be a bit mature. So we're just using some AB crystals. I'm putting the ones I'm using out here on this, well, it's the back of a stamping plate. And I'm using my eye gel beauty jewelry gel. And I'm just going to apply it to the cuticle area of the nails. Some people use a brush. I use a toothpick. It gets the job done for me. So we're just going to apply this to all 4 nails, and then we're going to put on the rhinestones afterwards. And after we apply all these rhinestones, we are going to put it to cure in the UV lamp for about 60 seconds. After curing the nails, we're going to apply top coat to them 1 time and set them aside so we could complete the rest of the set. And the top coat I am using is also from Eye Gel Beauty. It's a no wipe top coat, and what I like about this top coat is that it only takes 30 seconds to fully cure, and it's really nice and shiny. This is after completing half of the set. These are 12 nails and they look so cute. But since this is 24 pieces of the same thing, voila, here are the 24 pieces in the classic French tip set. They look so nice. I wish I could have just watched them laying out there all day, but I had to package them up. So I am using my plastic box from Amazon. I will link it down below. I think the name of it is from a brand called Sanitor. I don't know if it's a brand or the store name. So yeah, but I will definitely link it down below. And in order to fit all the nails in here, I start with the largest nail at the middle and I work my way outward. Actually, not the largest nail, the second largest nail, the size 1. And then I work my way outwards with the smaller nails. And then I put the 2 largest nails at the top in the cover so we could, make the most use of the space in that plastic container. And as usual, we make sure everything is nice and clean before we send it out to our clients. So I just dust off the nails and then I'm just going to take a paper towel, wipe it off, make sure everything is nice and good before we pack it up. So, this will bring us to the end of this video. Feel free, as I said before, subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with my nail videos. And of course, we have to make it all official with a logo sticker. Don't forget to put your logo sticker on everything that you send out. That is your brand. Okay? So that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And now I just go outside to see how it looks in the sunlight. Really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.